दुश्मन की गोलियों का वो हंस के मुकाबला किए, आज़ाद ही मरे वो जो आज़ाद थे जिए। आज़ादी की ज्वाला अंत तक जलती रही, भारत अपने वीर पुत्रों के लहू से रंगती रही। उन वीरों के बलिदानों को हम व्यर्थ न जाने देंगे। कसम खाते हैं हम भारत माता पर ये आंच न आने देंगे। मी रजविंद्र कौर फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चपर and going to share my views on 75 Independence Eve of India. So let's begin. August 50 marks Independence Day for India. This year India will be celebrated 75 year gaining independence from the British rule. This day is observed as a national holiday and celebrated through the flag hosting at Red Fort in Delhi, the various culture programs and parades. The entire event broadcasted by Doordarshan, India's national broadcaster, and usually begins with Shehnai, the music of Ustad Bismillah Khan. The British rule lasted from to India roughly 200 years. It officially started with winning of Robert Clive the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and ended on August 15, 1947. To get our independence, India underwent a lots of struggles and many lives lost. The numerous men, women and children laid down their lives fighting against British rule so that India could be free. The people or the freedom fighters are they better known as sacrificed their lives to make an India independent nation. The freedom fighters names like the great Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kasturba Gandhi, the Bhagat Singh, the Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, and the several many others etched in golden letters in Indian history. I pride to be an Indian. Salute the freedom fighters. They give me a freedom to the British rule. At the last, I am only say patriotic qualities says by many great freedom fighters like Bal Gangadhar Rao Tilak. Our nation like a tree. The original trunk is Swarajya and the branches are Sabdeshi and boycott. This says by the Bal Gangadhar Rao Tilak. And do or die says by Mahatma Gandhi. The salmon go back, Lala Rajpat Rai. Inqilab Zindabad says by Bhagat Singh. And at the last, Jai Hind.